Generating leads is essential for getting customers, and getting customers is essential for hitting your sales goals and growing. That's why knowing and taking advantage of all the lead generation tools is important for finding the highest quality leads that'll turn into sales. So if you want to learn how to get more leads and close more deals, then stick around, because today you'll learn all about the best lead generation tools around. Hey everyone, I'm Jeremy and welcome back to B2B Sales and Lead Generation with Uplead. Without further ado, let's first briefly cover what lead generation tools are. Anything that you use to find or create leads is considered a lead generation tool. Your calendar, your calling app, your CRM, they're all connected to the lead gen process. And each tool has its own little role. Think about them like the Minions. Or don't if you're not into those movies. Come on, who doesn't love Minions? For example, email marketing tools focus on generating leads through emails that help nurture and convert potential customers. Then there are tools that are used to create landing pages, show pop-ups to website visitors with incentives to make a purchase, or platforms that engage leads through inbound campaigns. If you're not familiar with the term inbound in a marketing context, check out our video Inbound and Outbound Sales to learn more. There are a lot of lead generation tools out there. Some of them fall into separate categories and some of them combine everything into one platform. Let's start with on-page lead generation and communication tools that integrate with your business profiles. These tools can recruit leads directly from your website through opt-in forms, campaigns, and chatbots. Some of the best tools for this are Intercom, Live Chat, ProProfs Chat, and Lead Forensics, which all offer easy-to-use interfaces and acquire leads automatically. These can also fit into the category of prospecting and outreach tools, since they collect contact info on anonymous site visitors who you can later reach out to. The next type of lead gen tool is a customer relationship management or CRM that connects and tracks leads throughout the sales funnel. CRMs keep all your historical data in one place, which makes it easier to understand your customer base and improve customer retention. The best ones include HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, and Zoho. They each offer different features and services. Like HubSpot may also include email functionality, which is pretty cool. Check out our video Lead Generation and CRM down below to learn more about how you can connect your CRM to other lead generation tools. And be sure to subscribe and click the bell for more helpful videos like this one. Advertising tools like Google Ads, AdEspresso, and AdRoll help drive traffic to your site from social media and paid ads, which can be extremely targeted, as you've probably noticed from personal experience. Siri is always listening. She's kind of creepy. Next up are calendar management tools. The ability to seamlessly manage a calendar is important for maximum productivity, so you don't spend time going back and forth in email trying to find a meeting time with your leads, and so that you don't overlap schedules or miss an important meeting with potential customers. I mean, assuming you didn't miss it because you overslept or your dog chewed up your computer charger. Acuity Scheduling, YouCanBook.me, and Calendly are all tools that can help you schedule your time more accurately and allow your clients and potential customers to book meetings with you. These tools can also auto-send reminders so that you have less no-shows. Next, there are email address finders, which connect you to people who aren't on your email list and aid with email outreach specifically. Tools like Uplead, that's the best one, Hunter.io, D7 Lead Finder, Snov.io, and RocketReach allow users to easily find emails for their cold outreach and marketing efforts. Email marketing and cold outreach tools can increase email open and reply rates that will ultimately end in more conversions and more clients. Mailshake, Outreach, SalesLoft, and Lemlist are great tools for email marketing. Then there are prospecting tools like Uplead, ZoomInfo, Lucia, and Apollo.io. In sales, marketing, or recruitment, the right leads are arguably one of the most important leads in lead generation, because this is where you're identifying your target leads that fit your target profile. Uplead is a multifaceted lead generation platform with a massive database of over 107 million contacts, 105 million business emails, 15 million companies, and 13 million mobile numbers. We also have email finder and email verification features like some of the tools I mentioned before, but it's only a small part of what we can actually do. What sets Uplead apart is our real-time email verification that validates emails instantly, so you know your outreach will not go to waste. We also offer robust user profiles and data enrichment integrations that update your data and help you segment and contact your leads. We also offer buyer intent data where you can find leads who are already searching for a solution like you. To learn more about intent data, check out the video on Uplead's intent data. You can also learn more about how they stack up in our videos Uplead versus ZoomInfo and Apollo versus Lucia versus Uplead. linked in the description below. But how do you choose what lead generation tools to use when there's so many out there? Well, the main things you should consider are ease of use, accessibility, affordability, solid customer support, and the ability to target your ideal audience. What are your needs? What are you trying to accomplish? Match up your answers with what each of these platforms provide. I do want to note that ease of use is a very important factor to consider and may be overshadowed by factors like price. Remember though, if the tool isn't easy for you or your team to use, you're likely not going to use it much or to its full potential. That's why at Uplead, we've prioritized making our lead generation prospector platform intuitive and easy to use. And for those who value their time and accuracy of their contact data, we guarantee 95% data accuracy and of course, real-time email verification. We're all busy people, so Uplead helps you find the right leads and saves time by decreasing bounced emails and offering 24/7 access to our highly skilled customer support team. Sign up for a free trial and explore Uplead's features. We have discounted annual plans and flexible monthly plans that start at $99 per month, so you won't be tied into a yearly contract. This includes a single user account, Chrome extension, verified emails and phone numbers, and CRM integration. Each higher tiered plan comes with even more contact credits and features to help you close the sales cycle faster. To get started with your 7-day free Uplead trial, head over to uplead.com/YouTube and start getting more leads and closing more deals now. You can take your time exploring our data for yourself and experimenting with the tools for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss any of our future videos on B2B sales, cold outreach, and lead generation. Thanks so much for stopping by, guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.